Always ask, is ChatGPT better or Comet AI? Are they the same? Which one should I actually use for YouTube, content creation, studies, business? So today I'm going to break it down simply with practical examples. By the end of this video, you will clearly know when ChatGPT is better, when Comet AI is better, and which one you should actually use. So ChatGPT is like a super smart assistant plus teacher, writer, problem solver in one place. You can ask anything and ChatGPT thinks, understands, explains, and creates. On the other hand, Comet AI is not just a chatbot, it is more like a task focused AI workspace and built especially for creators and students, professionals, and anyone who wants AI tools pre designed for specific purposes. Where ChatGPT is like, give me a brain and I will think, then Comet AI is like, give me a goal and I'll give you ready made modes, tools, and shortcuts. They both are useful, but in different ways. Comet is not just a chatbot, it's like a smart AI workspace inside your browser. It has modes for search, deep research, focused productivity, multi-tab comparisons, and even custom workflow shortcuts. And these allow you to switch how Comet works, whether you want quick answers or structured reports or hands-free interaction. So let's explore these modes and understand them simply, then compare them with ChatGPT using examples. First is search mode. Comet search mode doesn't just answer from its trained knowledge, it actually searches the internet live, collects information, and shows sources, verifies facts, and then gives you a clear and summarized answer. ChatGPT, especially without browsing enabled, mostly answers from its training data unless browsing is enabled. So, Comet feels like a smart AI plus Google hybrid. If you want to know latest AI updates, and if you ask Comet search mode, it searches fresh data from the internet and then gives you citations and verified results. ChatGPT, on the other hand, may reply based on past data unless browsing is enabled. Write a prompt in both ChatGPT and Comet AI. What are the latest updates in AI tools in 2026 and give short, reliable points with sources. Let's start with ChatGPT's response, and you can see it's giving us a very structured and news style update about AI in 2026. It's pulling information from real news platforms like Disney, CBS, Axios, Reuters, Samsung, Nvidia, and others, and everything is packed with recent headlines and sources. And what I really like here is how ChatGPT doesn't just list news, it organizes the information into sections like um, major launches and product updates, broader AI trends, new tools emerging in 2026, and industry adoption. So ChatGPT feels like a smart technology analyst here. It explains things clearly, highlights key trends like multimodal AI, agentic AI, enterprise adoption, and even industry predictions. This is amazing if you want clear understanding, real sources, and easy explanation in one place. Now let's look at Comet AI for the same question. And the approach is a little different. Comet AI is much more like a technical research assistant. Instead of news headlines, it jumps straight into specific AI models, benchmarks, hardware upgrades, and deep tech development. Excuse me. For example, it talks about Falcon H1R model scoring 88% on tough math benchmarks. NVIDIA Nemotron speech ASR being 10 times fast. Google Gemini Flash for low latency work, AMD and NVIDIA hardware innovations, autonomous driving platforms, and even Apple Series new AI integration. So Comet AI focuses on more hardcore AI technology, performance benchmarks, hardware advancements, and enterprise level innovation. It feels like general tech news and more like detailed engineering and research updates for AI professionals. Now let's talk about deep research mode. This mode is for serious users like students, researchers, and bloggers. Comet AI collects multiple sources, creates structured reports, adds sections, comparisons, summaries, almost like a mini research assistant. And ChatGPT um, can also research very deeply, but usually you have to guide it step by step through multiple prompts. But Comet AI does it in one structured workflow. Let's say you want to compare countries or technologies. You say explain this, then again, compare this, then again, summarize, and it requires conversation steps. But in Comet AI, one command is equal to full structured research output. I'm going to give a prompt about the research and compare renewable energy adoption in USA versus Europe and create sections, tables, pros and cons, and conclusion. Okay, in the second comparison prompt, ChatGPT gives a very structured documentary style research answer. It starts with a clear overview, explains Europe and the USA separately, and then moves into a detailed comparison format. You can see it provides properly labeled sections, a well organized table, deep explanation of policies, trends, challenges, and finally a formal conclusion. Plus, it even mentions sources and references along the way. ChatGPT's strength here is clarity, academic tone, and research style presentation. If you're a student, researcher, YouTuber, teacher, journalist, or content creator, ChatGPT's format is very helpful because it feels like reading a professional report. Everything is explained in detail and you get context behind every number. Now let's switch to Comet AI's response to the same prompt, and it also gives a very strong research answer but in a slightly different style. Instead of storytelling format, Comet focuses more on data, statistics, and numbers. Right at the beginning, Comet summarizes the key point clearly. Europe is ahead in renewable electricity share while the USA is leading in new capacity installation like solar or storage. Then Comet presents latest numeric data, precise statistics, a direct comparison table, a real world percentage of electricity and total energy share, storage power, growth speed, and policy effects, where ChatGPT explains concepts like a teacher. Comet AI speaks like a data analyst or industry expert, and it highlights again capacity growth and gigawatts installed, storage expansion, policy impact, and future projections. And now this style is perfect for policy analysts, investors, business professionals, advanced tech audiences, and people who prefer hard statistics over long explanations. The interesting part is that both tools gave powerful and correct answers, but the style is different. ChatGPT is more narrative, educational, and easy to understand, but Comet AI is more data driven, industry focused, and stat heavy. The next mode I want to talk about is focus mode. Comet AI can block distractions like social media, notifications, and unnecessary tabs. And at the same time, its AI helps you stay productive by summarizing important content and assisting while you work. But ChatGPT is powerful, but it does not manage your browsing environment. You still have distractions open. I gave both ChatGPT and Comet AI the same prompt that summarize all the important information from the tabs I have opened and give me only the key points. And Comet AI immediately understand the context of the browser. It actually checks the environment and responds according to it. And it says you currently have only one tab to open, which is the AI chat session. This one. So instead of guessing or giving a generic answer, it recognizes what's happening inside the browser and then smartly summarizes the key points from our conversation so far. And then it gives a clear bullet list. And ChatGPT gives a very honest reply. It says that I can't see the tabs you have open on your device. If you want me to summarize them, please paste the text or share the links. This shows two things. ChatGPT does not have access to your browser or tabs, which is great for privacy, but it also means you must manually provide content. So ChatGPT is more like a controlled AI environment, great for conversations, analysis, writing, but it does not directly integrates with your browsing reality unless you feed it the data. Now I'm telling you the most interesting part of Comet AI, that it allows you to create shortcut prompts, meaning you don't need to repeat long instructions again and again. You just save a workflow like summarize, translate, format. Click once and it always does the same task. ChatGPT requires you to retype or paste your instructions every time, so commit wins in automation and time saving. For example, if you daily summarize articles for YouTube research, instead of telling ChatGPT every time, you save a shortcut in Comet, summarize, make bullet points, add YouTube ideas. Click and done. I write a prompt to create a shortcut that always summarizes content info, key points, short summary, and content ideas. Let's see how both tools responded. Comet AI gives a very structured, professional shortcut prompts immediately. It doesn't just explain, it directly gives you a ready to use templates that you can copy and paste, and it clearly defines key points section, short summary section, content idea section, and it even tells how many bullet points to use, how long each sentence should be, and emphasizes no extra fluff, focus only on important facts. Then Cometei also adds something very useful. It suggests saving this as a keyboard shortcut, text expander, reusable template. So Comet is acting like a practical assistant that is helping you build a real workflow, not just giving theory. ChatGPT also gives a shortcut prompt but with an extra layer of guidance and usability help. It provides a polished shortcut format, a clear reusable prompt, and structured headings just like we wanted. But then ChatGPT goes one step further. It explains how to convert this into a real automation shortcut. It tells how to create it on iPhone shortcuts, how to create it on PC using text expander, and how to use it in browser automation tools. So ChatGPT is behaving like a teacher and a productivity coach. It doesn't just give the prompt, it teaches you how to turn it into a real working system in your phone or laptop. This is extremely useful for automation lovers, people who actually want to build long-term smart workflows. I think both tools did great, but with different strengths. ChatGPT is more workflow focused. It not only gives the shortcut but also teaches you how to automate it on real devices. And Comet AI is more direct and action focused. It gives a strict and ready to use shortcut formula for fast professional summarizing. And finally, multi-tab mode. This is where Comet gets super smart. It can read multiple open tabs, compare them, pull data, create reports. ChatGPT cannot directly read your browser tabs unless you manually paste everything. So Comet becomes like a research partner that understands your entire screen. So if you have three competitive products pages open, or five research articles, or multiple learning tabs, you simply tell Comet, compare everything for me, and done. Like you can give a prompt, compare all these open tabs and tell me which option is best and why, and also make a comparison table. So in simple words, both ChatGPT and Comet AI are amazing, but Comet gives you structured modes that save you time, reduce your effort, and make tasks faster. Both can change your life, but remember, ChatGPT is like a genius friend who understands everything deeply, but Comet AI is like a smart assistant with pre-made tools who just gets things done fast. So don't think which one is better, think which one is better for me, and now you know the answer. If this video helped you understand the real difference between ChatGPT and Comet AI, then make sure to like, comment which one you prefer, subscribe for more AI and tech videos, and if you want full tutorials and real life examples, then stay connected because more helpful videos are coming your way. Thanks for watching.